Why do some Philippine school logos look like they came from the 1800s, while others feel like they're designed in Silicon Valley? I call these the old guard schools. Logos are full of heraldry, shields, lamps, Latin mottos, rays of light, even Marian symbols. Most of them carry over European Catholic traditions, which lasted for centuries. Now compare that to the New Guard. Enderon, Mint, iAcademy. It's giving tech startup more than a traditional university. They feature flat designs, minimalist fonts, cleaner, more modern marks. These institutions position themselves as progressive, global, and sometimes a bit unorthodox when it comes to teaching. Why their logos are less about traditional, it's more on about that flexibility, innovation. But for me, the biggest transformation is Mapua. For decades, their logo looked like this classic Technical Institute seal. And then we get this. It features the builder, even has a binary code which literally spells out excellence. May pa DNA strand. So quite literal ang atake ni Mapua. This rebrand signals that they're repositioning themselves as a university embracing tech and global relevance. So are your schools old guard or new guard?